Today we're at the Ventura County Fair. There's a siren just a few minutes from here. So we're gonna show you a little bit of the fair and then we're gonna walk and show you the siren. Tune in to today's episode. It's gonna be awesome. Do you want to go in the petting zoo? Yeah. Let's go.
No pigs, no donkeys. Okay.
Just a little bit in the hand at a time.
And I'll give it to you. Okay. I'll hold it for now, protect it so that no one snags it. Okay.
Hopefully.
Let's go.
All right. First you get.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
It's out. Okay.
Look at these guys.
Bend down. Bend down.
They're very aggressive.
Just bend down.
I know babies.
I know about all of you.
Elijah, check it out. It's a donkey. Is that a kangaroo?
Those are wallabies.
Wallabies? How do you know that? Stand here in front of the llama. Oh, I like your colors. I like your colors. And what are you? Goodness.
That's a horse.
That's not a horse. Give him the cone.
Well, not yet.
He likes ice cream. Lots of animals. Look at this little guy. Look at that little guy. And of course the black sheep. The black sheep.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know. Okay.
That's it. We're out of food. I'm sorry. We're out of food. Don't look at me like that. These guys are hungry. You guys are very hungry. You act like they don't feed you all. Yeah. You gotta get up, buddy. It's time to go.
Time to get clean.
Come here. Can we pet him real quick?
Yeah.
Come here. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Wow.
Good luck, sir. You're
Good luck.
great.
Hope you win a prize.
It's a break a leg, but you got this.
See you guys later. That's our cousin. Hey, look at me. It looks like an alien cactus.
Turn grass into steak. Oh goodness, honey. The cow turns grass into steak.
How you doing, Elijah? Hi. Hi, how are you? Can I get a high five? Are you having fun today? Good. I was just going to tell your dad and your mom about the Channel Islands. Oh, wonderful place. Those are the islands you can see on a clear day off our coast. Have you ever seen them? No.
No, yes you have.
A lot of adults aren't aware. People have asked me if it's Hawaii.
Oh, actually,
Or Santa Barbara.
when we were flying over about to land in Orange County, you saw. Remember how you're like, "Mommy, I found Hawaii." That was on the Channel Islands.
Oh, he probably saw Catalina.
That was Catalina, yeah.
That
You
is.
saw. So you've seen them.
Somebody won with Minecraft.
I want to get these.
Yeah, see, mommy will buy some. It's like a snake.
Daddy eating it?
Nah.
Oh wait, there it is. I got it.
Yum.
Look how pretty it is.
Licorice
Got it?
rope. I won't try that one. That is a massive corn dog. Look at that. A massive corn dog. Let's go. So there's a debate on Reddit on whether this is a DSA siren or an ATI HPSS-16. I don't know. I will show it to you and let you decide what kind of siren this is. What kind of siren do you think it is? A DSA or an ATI HPSS?
It's a DSA.
Elijah's vote is DSA. We're gonna check it out and you tell me what you think. All right, ready? Here we go, here it is. Let's go around and get a shot from the other side. Right behind this fence is the Ventura County Museum. So that siren is part of the museum.
Well, these are great flags, babe.
I'm melting.
So what do you say? Is it a DSA or an ATI? Let me know. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. See you later.